These little toggle clasps are nice and springy. Please note that the holes do not completely line up perfectly every time. If you squeeze them really hard, you can get them a little bit better lined up there, but they're not perfectly aligned. So I have several kinds of cord here. This is what I hope to use them on, but the cord is a number 95. I don't know if that's, like here's one that doesn't line up good at all. Line up well, I should say. Okay, so you feed it through that side and then come back around, feed it on that side. Come on, you. When they don't line up, it's hard to do it. Okay, so you've got it through both sides. And then you should not be able to pull this, but you can. So that doesn't really hold that great for that, but I guess. Personally, the fact that you can pull this through is not good for me. However, okay, so here's a lanyard cord, okay? Now I don't want to cut up my lanyard. So I got a shoestring, which is about the same thickness. So with the shoestring tip, you can feed it through these holes, kind of, sort of, but it's difficult. Even with the tip. No, it will not go through this one. Will not go through. So without the tip, this cord isn't going through these. I think it goes through the pink one. Okay, I think I tried the pink one. Let's see. These holes line up a little better. Oh, come on. Come on through there. Yeah, okay. So with the tip, this cord goes through. But once again, you can pull it really easily. And I don't think you should be able to do that. Sort of defeats the purpose. So if you want this thing to absolutely stop your cord, I can't get it out. These will not do it. If you wanted to use cord as thick as this lanyard cord, it's not going to go through these holes unless you have some kind of a tip on it, like a shoestring. These holes are really little. So it depends on your use for these. The springs are very tight and springy, which is nice. The colors are okay, but they don't really hold the string very well, and you can't thread them through.